Solving trigonometric equations. Worksheet 5 solutions. This is the first question from your worksheet 5. I hope you got it right. Still, there are many things to learn, so have a look at this solution. The question here is 2 sine 3x equals to 1. Very simple, right? So what is sine 3x? We get sine 3x equals to half. And so sine 3x is half. We can make a special triangle and find out all the answers. So if you have a special triangle like this, which is 30, 60, 90, right? Since it is in pi or in radians, so we'll write this as pi by 3, pi by 6, and so this is 1, this is 2, and this is square root 3. That gives us half, right? That's one thing which we look into. Second, what we look into is where is it positive? For sine, sine is positive in quadrant 1, like all are, and in quadrant 2. So these are the two quadrants where sine is positive. Then, imagine 3x is theta. Take 3x as theta, right? In that case, your theta should be what? Theta should be pi by 6. So pi by 6 in quadrant 1 and acute angle, right? And in quadrant 2 also pi by 6. So these are your two solutions. And these are within the domain of 0 to 2 pi. Those of you who have done this, they've actually done a mistake. And the mistake here is a very critical one, which I'll highlight now. See, the domain given to us is for x greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2 pi. But the equation has 3x, not just x, right? So now what should the domain be? Domain should be, let's multiply this by 3 and we get 3x less than or equals to 6 pi. Do you understand? So this theta should be within the interval of 0 to 6 pi, not just this much. Do you understand? So we get this one full circle, second circle, and the third circle. So those of you who just wrote these answers, which are pi by 6. So when it is pi by 6, then there are 3 portions here and 3 here, right? So 1 pi by 6, 2 pi by 6, 3 pi by 6, 4 pi by 6, and 5 pi by 6. So those of you who got pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6, they only answered with 1/3 of the options. So what are the other answers? The other answers is add more pi by 6's, right? Go one full circle more, another circle, because the domain for 3x is not just 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi is domain for x. For 3x, the domain is 0 to 6 pi. So this is what I want to highlight in this particular question. And therefore, we write here theta or 3x is equals to pi by 6. There's the first answer. 5 pi by 6 is a second answer. And then what are the other answers, right? The other answers are, you have to go, this is your first answer, then this is your second answer, and then your answer is this. How much is that? So one full circle is 12 pi by 6, and one more will be 13 pi by 6. So we get 13 pi by 6, right? So we got to add 2 pi to these, right? So we add 2 pi to this, we get 17 pi by 6, correct? Not only that, we have to add 2 more pi's, right? Because our domain is still 6 pi. Do you see that? So those are all the solutions, right? So we have got 2 in each and every 2 pi. So we'll add again 2 pi to this, right? So if you add 2 pi, so that means 12 more, right? 12 more. So 12 more to 13 is 25 pi by 6. and 12 more 217 is 29 pi by 6. Do you see? So you got these 6 options, right? 20 pi by 6, right? Yes, 29 pi by 6. And those are all the options which we get, right? 6 options. Now what is x? X is equals to, divide them by 3. So you get pi by 18, 5 pi by 18, 13 pi by 18, 17 pi by 18, 25 pi by 18, and 29 pi by 18. So these are the 6 solutions for our equation 2 sine 3x equals to 1, where x is between 0 to 2 pi, right? So I hope you learn from here that at times when you're doing compound angles, then the domain is changed, because the domain was given for x, not 3x. When you make it 3x, change the domain and find all possible solutions. Okay, I hope you learn from here. Thank you.